Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we are focusing on a significant regulatory transformation in the United Arab Emirates. The UAE has introduced the new Federal Decree Law 38 of 2024, which fundamentally changes the landscape for medical device and pharmaceutical manufacturers. This new law, which officially replaced the former Federal Law No. 8 of 2019, became effective on January 2, 2025. It represents a major step in the nation's strategy to become a leading global hub for healthcare and life sciences. One of the most substantial changes is the consolidation of regulatory authority. Responsibilities previously held by the Ministry of Health and Prevention, known as MOHAP, are being transferred to a new centralized body, the Emirates Drug Establishment, or EDE. The EDE will now oversee the entire life cycle of medical and pharmaceutical products, from development and approval to manufacturing and marketing. This move is designed to streamline processes and create a more unified regulatory environment for all products, which are now governed under this single piece of legislation. For medical device companies, a critical operational change involves supply chain management. The new law mandates that every marketing authorization holder must appoint at least 2 importers and 1 or more distributors. This requirement is intended to enhance supply chain resilience, ensure product availability, and increase competition within the market. The law also draws a clearer distinction between the act of importation, which involves bringing products into the country, and distribution, which covers the subsequent storage and sales activities within the UAE. A key question for all affected companies is about the timeline for compliance. The government has granted a 1-year grace period that started on the law's effective date. This means all manufacturers and their local partners have until January 2, 2026 to fully align their operations with these new requirements. This is not a long time to make the necessary adjustments. Companies must use this period to review and update their supply chain contracts, amend their licensing, and ensure their post-market surveillance and quality systems are compliant with the new framework managed by the Emirates Drug Establishment. If you need help navigating these new regulations in the UAE or require assistance with global market access for your medical devices, the team at Pure Global is here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.